Good morning everybody and welcome on board. Today we're doing a flight to the Navajo Nation, participating into the relief effort up there as they have been impacted a lot by COVID-19. So we're packing about 620 pounds of various donations that hopefully will help those guys up there. So we'll get going in a couple of minutes. I hope you'll enjoy the flight. MacLeod Tower, Cherokee 43618, holding short runway 1, ready to go.
Cherokee 43618, Glendale Tower, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, 43618.
Cherokee 618 northeastbound for exchange is approved. Have a good one.
This is Charger approved. See you later. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, we're en route. We'll be crossing over Deer Valley Airport if we can climb fast enough to make it over the airspace.
Yeah, Glendale Tower, Airport 3 is holding short at Alpha 4, waiting for a NOTAM closure.
We made it off the airport without knowing that they were closing the runway for 2 hours, so...
Central aircraft runway 1 and taxiway Alpha closed per NOTAM till 1500 to Airport 3, approved on runway and Alpha, your discretion.
Airport 3 approved on runway and taxiway, understand we are NOTAM closed.
And Airport 1 proceeding with 1+1 along runway.
Airport 1+1, roger.
Yep, they closed the runway and they're starting to work on it for 2 hours, so which is a good thing because we'll be away from it in 2 hours, so should be back open when we come back, otherwise we'll have to divert to Navajo Airport. Alright, so we're climbing through 7,500 feet and we'll probably stop there for a while, and then we will turning direct to Tuba City. Gonna be a very easy flight. We'll align the autopilot with that specific heading. We should get there in about an hour, depending on how much we get in the notes. We're currently stopping at 7,500 to lose a little bit of weight, I guess, and fuel. And then we'll resume climbing a little bit later. I'll cool down the engine. Alright, we made it painfully to 11,500 feet en route to Tuba City. We're about, that says 38 minutes away, but because now we're accelerating, I'll probably take less time than that. We spent most of our time climbing. The problem to go from Phoenix to Tuba City is we have to go through the plateau near Flagstaff, and elevation is pretty high out there, so you unfortunately have to fly pretty high. It takes time to climb when you're at maximum gross weight. We're currently passing the amazing Vadodora. I should show you guys. Beautiful area and probably the best time of the year to go there. So after that we'll be flying towards Flagstaff. which is coming up. You can see Humphreys Peak, which is highest peak in Arizona. And then we'll get over the lava flows before we get back over lower terrain on the side of the Grand Canyon. Go. Beautiful flight today. Expected a bit of weather for that. The temperature is barely 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so very comfortable in the airplane. Approaching the Grand Canyon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's on the left side. You can see, in fact, the north rim a little bit higher than the south rim. Probably like 30 miles southeast of the Grand Canyon currently. We are approaching our top of descent, which means we'll be starting our descent soon towards Tuba City. The view around here is just amazing. It's really very Mars-like. Somebody wanted to train not to live on Mars. That place is probably the right place. Alright, fuel pump, landing lights. Tuba City, Cherokee 43618, 5 miles out from the south, descending through 7500, and we'll report over the airfield, Tuba City. Tuba City, Cherokee 43618, we're over the airfield, and we'll be reporting when entering the downwind or runway 15, Tuba City. Tuba City, Cherokee 43618, we're entering downwind for runway 15, Tuba City. Tuba City, Cherokee 43618, turning final 15 full stop, Tuba City. Okay, we're good for landing. Lots of grass on that runway. Up yonder, bye. Head down the FEs. Down the radio.